What's up, guys? It's Aaliyah and I. Today's vlog is gonna be kind of different. So, good news, bad news. Good news is Aaliyah is gonna be in the video today. Bad news is about my Subaru. So, I have Aaliyah for today, giving Mama Iris a quick break for the day, or at least half the day, so I can hang out with her and then she can rest up. I'll tell you guys the bad news about the Subaru. It's kind of on the title already. You wanna say hi? But I've got to take her with me, so I didn't want to leave you guys hanging without a vlog today. So we're gonna do this normal family vlog, car vlog stuff. But first off, let's go do laundry. You ready? It'll be a quick one. I'll jump to the car right away. But I gotta put the laundry in. Okay, say ready? Say, can you fist bump? Can you fist bump? Boom!
Hi, you wanna hold my hand? Okay, ready? Let's do laundry. I've got to change you. Okay, yes, that's laundry. Come on, let's go. Get up. Up. Father, business, and cars. Come on, baby. Do laundry. Let's go. You're so strong. Thank you. Whoa. Push it. Good job. Okay, gotta change you. If you guys don't know, female clothing is so confusing, especially when it comes to baby clothing. Sometimes I put on her clothes backwards. It's kind of embarrassing. Do you wanna wear this one? You wanna wear this outfit? This one? Why not? This is cute. It's kind of airy. It's like 100 degrees today. You wanna wear this?
No.
What do you wanna wear? This lotion. We'll put your lotion on later.
You're cute. Like your outfit? Cute. What shoes do you wanna wear? Gold? How's that smell? Actually, if you guys aren't parents, these shoes are made and they smell really good. I guess it's in the material itself. You want to wear blue shoes to match the car? We're gonna talk about the Subaru soon. No, okay. You pick this one up first. You want this one?
Yeah.
Okay, well pick one. They smell good? You're so weird. Let's not be weird and smell shoes for a living, okay?
Ready to head to the office? Let's go check out the Subaru. Ready? Let's go. Hi. Hello. You ready to go to work?
Hurry, baby, let's go to work.
Okay. Hi. You ready to go see the Subaru? You want to grab the keys? Okay. You ready? Go to the Subaru. You gonna show me where it is? Come here. Huh? Beep, beep. Can you find my car? Let's go find the car. Come here. Where's the car? Come on. Do you see the car? She went beep beep. Alright, let's go get it. Let's go. Come on. She's like, stranger danger. There you are in my car. What do you think? You like the Subaru? Chihuahua? Yeah? Bye. Scoot over. You wanna scoot over for me?
Mama.
Yeah, over there. I know, it's hard. Come on, ready? Up.
Mama.
Yeah, you go over there. You gotta share your space with me, girl. Here we are in the Subaru. Can I have the key? Can I have the key? Thank you. Let me start it up, okay? Start this bad boy up. You ready? Whoa, it's nice and quiet. Oh. She likes the car. So in my previous video, I talked about why I won't drive it right now. So DMV system shows that still not registered. My tag showed not registered, and supposedly the dealer already sent the information to DMV. So the problem is no registration, not legal to drive. And if you guys know, Ontario right now is cracking down on modified cars. And this car doesn't look crazy modified, it's still pretty stock, but Subarus have a pretty big stigma about being modified. And I've talked about this for years about how, like, if you guys encourage, as viewers, if you guys encourage YouTubers to do obnoxious things on camera and go to sideshows, then eventually the cops are going to catch up on it. And unfortunately, I think it's happened now. That means, like, if you guys drive through Anaheim or through LA, holy crap, man, they'll crack you for tinted windows, and they'll do inspections in your car, and it gets all pretty crazy. So what we want to do now is avoid driving the Subaru, because I just don't want to get in trouble with the car modified. And it's not even that modified, unfortunately, but you guys know my luck. I'll end up getting pinged for something, and then I drive the GTR, and all of a sudden they'll raid my warehouse, and all this crazy stuff might happen. So to avoid all of that, I'm gonna wait for the registration to actually show up and be registered and be legit, so that way we can drive safely. And then once we do, it'll be her first time in the Subaru. I'll probably put the car seat back here, and then she can hang out. What's up? What? What? Seatbelt? I'll put the seatbelt on. Come on. Right here, come here. Ready? So when you drive, you gotta put your seatbelt on like this, right? That. Just like that. And it goes across your chest. See? Now you're like Mama and Papa. Now you can drive a car. Look at this. This is the cutest. See? Now you're a real driver. Oh my gosh. Beep beep. Oh my gosh.
No.
Huh? No more. Off camera, literally, I had guys who like produce our custom boxes for us come into the meeting, or come into the office, but I was in the car, so I told them come over here and have a meeting while I'm sitting in the car with Aaliyah. Super random, but hey, this is the new version of business, right? Yeah, so I was saying, what's up, baby? So I was saying, I don't know what else to do, but I'm gonna have to schedule a DMV appointment, go there physically, show them the paperwork again, because I kept a copy of it, and ask them if they can just like verify the verification, or verify the car registration there, because I did everything. It's smogged, it's paid for. The only step that was missing was the recall. But since I'm here with you guys, let me show you guys the car a little bit. You ready? I show you the car a little bit. You're so smart, you can fit between the thing. Okay, come here, sit down, let's talk. Aaliyah, this is called a steering wheel. This is a 2011 Subaru WRX. You see it? Yep, that's the steering wheel. These are controls for the audio. The cool thing about this one is this is a Pioneer double din, which this is actually routed to this, so we can actually control everything with our steering, which is important. Yes, that right there that you're touching right now is the emergency brake. In other cars, people will use it for drifting, and this car is just an emergency brake. What else do you want to learn? This one you were touching just a second ago is the audio for the phone. And you can actually press it and tell its commands. Over here, Aaliyah, is a shift knob. This is the boot from In Focus. If you guys want to check out some custom boots, check them out right here. We had a custom boot made for Primal, and this is our shift knob from a few years ago. I like this. It's a short shifter from Cobb, which is very important because Papa likes short shifters a lot. Here, check this out. See that? That is an airlift control. So that allows us to actually lower the car if we wanted to. You want to press a couple buttons? No, it's not a phone, silly. She said hello to it like it was a phone. What do you think? Kind of cool? Huh? You want to lower the car? Okay, cool. So here, you press this right here. Press this. Ooh, and it lowers.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Yeah!
I know. Okay, so you press this now. If you double click the middle, baby, right there, it goes right back up. Ooh, you hear the compressor turn on? Go.
Whoa!
I know, babe. And this right here is very important. A lot of you guys OG know this one. This is the dog tag for my buddy back in high school that got shot. It was a drive-by. The bullet actually hit him in the head, and he was 15 when he died. So that was, man, that was a long time ago. I think it was 2003. So I always keep this in my car. Super important to me. Hi.
Hi!
Say hi.
Hi!
Say hi.
She's like, who's that? Hello. Oh my goodness. She's look at her. Oh. Bye bye. Bye. Okay. Hey.
Oh, she goes hi.
Look at all her teeth.
Hi. Show her your teeth. Show her your teeth.
Let me see.
Let me see your teeth. You know how to do this.
Look at all her teeth.
Here's a car look, baby, the GTR. So Thomas and I are working on our workshop area. So we have kind of like a machine shop kind of feel where we're setting up so we can actually do crafts and build some cool stuff. And then like my vlog before this one, we have it over here, is our auto shop. So we're kind of like doing a bunch of car stuff, product reviews. I need to fix this car for sure before anything. Yo, where's Fat Sack at? Let me see Fat Sack. Introducing Fat Sack. Damn! You sleepy, baby? It's lunchtime. You wanna eat now? Come on, let's eat. Hey, Turbo. Hey, Subi. Turbo, yes. What are you doing with a bag of chips, Aaliyah? That's Subi. Don't feed the dogs.
No.
Don't feed the dogs. Subi off. Look at Turbo's so good. He's just chilling. Subi, come here. What are you doing, buddy? Come here, babe. Are you hungry?
No.
You're not hungry, but you're eating chips. You make total sense. No, we don't feed him. Boy. Come here, baby. Look what Mama made ya.
Yum yum.
Yummy. Here, let me take your bag of chips now, yeah? No more? She fell asleep after lunch. A little play. I'm over here working on my laptop. And she falls asleep right next to me. And now you're awake eating ice cream. Yummy? Is it good? Mama got you some learning signs. See it?
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi.
So we're putting them all over your play space.
Hi.
Hi. Yeah? Do you like it? We want her to be super smart. This side we have colors, and then on this side we have shapes. I put this table together a few days ago. It's pretty cool. It's like an art table, but a lot of storage bins. You can actually draw with this media piece here. Just pull it through, and then over here we're gonna tape this up. She can learn her numbers. She has a little chair over here she can hang out, these chairs, and then she has all these little cool ones, and I think these are sensor based. So if you lift these, you turn them on. See? See?
You is for umbrella.
You like it already?
Uh-oh.
Oh, good. It's perfect.
Uh-oh.
Good height
No.
too. Oh no! What?
Those are blocks right there.
Yeah?
Oh no.
Apple? Ow. Think go.
Beep, beep.
Green.
Whoa. Ah. Beep.
Fast forward like 4 or 5 hours later, I am with Aaliyah and Iris. We're about to have dinner. Let me show you what she's cooking.
Iris brought in the food. How are you feeling, baby girl? How are you feeling? What's wrong with your lip? Huh?
Alright guys, I'm gonna head to bed kind of early today, and early is relative. It's like 11, almost 12:30. But my lower back is hurting, and it's not. I've had lower back problems, and it does not feel the same. It's not like my muscle. It feels weird. So I'm gonna take some meds and just kind of go to sleep. I'll hang out with Aaliyah, read her a book, and then I brought my laptop so I can do some work in bed, and then I'll go to sleep. So when I say go to bed early, I'm not actually going early. Hi, baby. You want to say bye to the vlog? But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I will talk to you guys later. Wish me luck with this back thing. I've already scheduled an appointment. Hopefully, I'm not freaking dying. Peace out. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye.